Foldable drones are perfect for both beginners and pros who want portability without sacrificing performance. Compact, easy to carry, and packed with advanced features, these drones let you capture stunning aerial shots anytime, anywhere. Discover the best foldable drones that combine convenience, durability, and top-notch flight experience. Starting at number 1, DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Pro is a compact, foldable, 4-rotor drone designed for high-quality aerial photography and videography. It features a 12MP camera capable of shooting 4K video and HD footage with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable shots. This model includes the remote controller and folds down small enough to fit in a backpack, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. The Mavic Pro offers intelligent flight modes like hover, return to home, and automated tracking, along with up to around 27 minutes of flight time per battery on a full charge. Number 2. DJI Mavic Air Quadcopter. The DJI Mavic Air is a portable, foldable quadcopter that combines powerful imaging performance with a travel-ready design. It features a 12MP camera with a 3-axis gimbal that records smooth 4K video, advanced obstacle sensing, and intelligent flight modes for creative aerial shots. With up to 21 minutes of flight time and easy-to-use controls, including the included remote, this onyx black finish drone is ideal for capturing stunning photos and videos on the go. Number 3. Parrot PF728,000 ANAFI drone. The Parrot ANAFI is a compact, foldable drone built for creative aerial photography and videography. It features a 21MP 4K HDR camera with an exclusive 180-degree vertical tilt gimbal that lets you shoot from unique angles and capture smooth cinematic footage. Thanks to hybrid 3-axis stabilization, up to 25 minutes of flight time, and advanced digital zoom, this lightweight yet powerful quadcopter makes it easy to realize striking shots wherever you go. Number 4. Ruko F11 PRO drone. The Ruko F11 PRO is a foldable, GPS-equipped quadcopter designed for adults and beginners who want long flight times and easy aerial filming. It comes with a 4K UHD camera featuring a 120-degree wide-angle lens that can tilt for better framing, and 2 intelligent batteries that together can deliver up to 60 minutes of total flight time. The drone's GPS auto-return home feature brings it back safely if the signal gets weak or the battery runs low, and brushless motors help provide stable flight even in breezier conditions. With built-in intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and One-Key Takeoff Landing, it's a user-friendly option for capturing your outdoor adventures. Plus, it includes a carrying case for easier transport. Number 5. Holy Stone HS175D GPS drone. The Holy Stone HS175D is a lightweight, foldable, GPS-equipped quadcopter designed for adults and beginners alike. It features a 4K UHD camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens and adjustable tilt for capturing scenic aerial photos and videos. Thanks to dual modular batteries, it offers up to 46 minutes of combined flight time, while GPS-assisted features like Auto Return Home, Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, and Circle Fly make flying easier and more fun. With its brushless motors, easy-to-use intelligent modes, and compact under 249G design, this drone is great for outdoor adventures and travel.